Guys, this horse has been through a lot. He's sick, weak, and even struggling to stand properly on his own. But that doesn't stop the farrier from doing what needs to be done. Today, this hoof care is not just about maintenance. It's about giving this suffering horse a little relief and comfort. As the farrier lifts the hoof, the first thing you'll notice is that the frog is overgrown and damaged. It's actually starting to peel and come out. So the very first step is to work on that. With precise movements, the farrier carefully trims the frog, making sure not to cause any pain while restoring its natural shape. This part is crucial, as the frog supports circulation and shock absorption in the horse's foot. Once the frog is handled, it's time to move on to the hoof knife. Watch closely as the farrier gently scrapes away the dead, dirty material inside the hoof. You can already see the difference. That whitish, clean surface starts to appear, showing us that the healthy layer has been reached. With the inner hoof cleaned, now the clippers come into action. They're used to trim down the hard outer edge of the hoof, like trimming thick nails. The clicks of the clippers, the precise snips. It's oddly satisfying to watch, isn't it? And finally, it's time for the most relaxing and important finishing touch, the rasping. Using a heavy rasp file, the farrier smooths the edges and balances the hoof from all sides. This not only gives it a clean and professional shape, but also ensures the hoof is perfectly ready to support a shoe, and most importantly, support the horse. Step by step, with patience and care, the farrier transforms this damaged, painful hoof into something strong, balanced, and healthy. This horse is still healing, but with proper hoof care, he's now one step closer to walking pain-free. That's the power of kindness and skilled hands.